So we reach now the end of this course. To summarize what we have seen so far, we discussed this level of intelligence of AI systems going from reflex agents to state-based agents. For state-based agents, we discussed search problems, Markov decision processes, and adversarial games. We went to a high level of representations that actually is about constraint satisfaction problems that use variables. I invite you to search, to do more research on Bayesian network. That's also another part of AI. We also discussed logic. Logic was a part of AI. It's a part of the old school of AI, but it has beautiful concepts and methodologies in it, but represents high level of intelligence to communicate actually and express the world around us. So we saw that machine learning is actually all over the place. It helps us model, build models, make predictions, look at patterns in the data, and so on and so forth. We saw that AI can be hard sometimes because it has computational complexity. We need to deal with language, with ambiguity, with vision that's actually at the pixel level. AI is a broad field as well with high impact to humanity and society. What we can do with AI is already very amazing. We see that we have more competent personal assistants that can even control our house. We see self-driving cars today that are not that far to be reality. So we saw them really working, but then we need to see how this will translate soon, hopefully in real life. Document search is becoming smarter. Machine translation is better than ever. And thinking about, since its inception from the 50s, AI has made huge progress, even though it went through ups and downs, through winters and springs. I think we are really playing in the spring right now. AI does not need to model human or nature, but needs to act like human or nature. So human and nature represent an inspiration for AI. So anything that you could see in nature that's a proof of concept can be reproduced in AI, even though it's not with the same principle. So AI today is, as I said, flourishing an exciting field, and everyone can contribute. It can be perceived as a threat to many of our humankind, but actually AI can be used for quite good. Going from doing more accurate diagnostics to personalized treatment, to make our roads safer and avoid all accidents with self-driving cars. So we hope that we're going to reduce the number of accidents to zero, because car can communicate and make our commute cheaper, safer, and better. It's just a matter of time to see it applied to all the kinds of applications, text, videos. It's already used in lots of text applications, in images, but we will see it more and more adopted by other companies and other researchers. This doesn't mean we are all done. There is more theoretical research to be done on deep learning. We need also more applications of deep learning, and we also need to maybe go to the next level of intelligence. So maybe in the near future, intelligent agents will be able to see, to understand your language, to think, to innovate, to be creative, to have a sense of humor, and to have also common sense. So who knows? This is maybe just around the corner. Consider this course as a tour of the capability and state of the art of artificial intelligence, and also a way to be aware of what's going on in AI, to be prepared for the future. I invite you, of course, to explore more advanced topics in AI, and this includes machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, statistical learning theory if you are interested in theory, and also probabilistic graphical model that we didn't cover in this course. Okay. I would like to express my warmest thanks to the team who has been working very hard to make this course happen. My teaching assistants, the head TA, Daniel Chan, and also Peter Do, who has been working very hard in sending the assignments online on the grading platform. Also Felix, Anand, Jiahu, and Rikong for helping with the discussion forum. My special thanks also go to Columbia Video Network team, who have been working very hard in setting up the videos, the transcripts, working on the edX platform and the production. Nancy, Marina, Tom, Shui, Leander, thank you very much. Thanks to the authors of our main references, Russell and Norvig, and also Tom Mitchell for making, and other resources we have used, for making their material and their knowledge about AI available to the world. I hope this course has helped ease the transition from the book to spread the love of AI and make the knowledge about AI available to a larger audience. Last but not least, Thank you for an exciting course together, and congratulations on completing the course, whether you did the quizzes, did the homework assignments, or just watched the videos. Congratulations. As a last personal note, this has been my first online course. Sharing knowledge with others has been incredibly rewarding, and I hope you found it useful and interesting. From the bottom of my heart and on behalf of the whole team, thank you.